Introducing MAMADU Shielded, Africa's first AI-powered, drone-enabled maternal care platform built for frontline health workers. Every day, mothers in Africa die from preventable complications simply because care came too late, or never arrived at all. Lack of tools, distance, and data costs continue to claim lives. MAMADU Shielded is a solar-powered diagnostic kit that fits in a box. It empowers nurses to detect risks, print referrals, and alert hospitals, even with no signal and no airtime. It connects to real-time dashboards using data-free SIMs, delivers medicine via drones, and is protected by BlackFog and a Securicom SoC. All this controlled through one secure edge system. MAMADU was tested with nurses in South Africa and Mozambique. 94% could use it immediately, and clinics saw faster emergency responses within weeks. We're ready to scale across Africa. Partner with us to transform maternal care. One village, one drone, one mother at a time.